Sayna, aka Say, and I'm back with another video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is gonna be on a back to school makeup tutorial. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and comment down below. And I'll see you in my next video. So let's get started with this drugstore makeup. So the first thing I'm going to use is primer. So the one that I have right here is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. This is how it looks. And I'm going to put that in my pores. As you can see, my brows is already done. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at my mirror. So after that's done, I'm going to go in with this NYX glitter primer. It's supposed to be for your eyes, but I seen one YouTuber doing it, and it actually controlled her shine, and she's been using that, and I tried it out one time and it was really good. So I'm done with that. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Matte and Poreless Primer. And this one is in the 355 Coconut. So since it doesn't have a pump, I got to pour in the back of my hand. I'm going to be using one of my BH Cosmetic brushes. And I'm not sure which one is it, but I'm just going to go over my face with that. Now I have two sponges. So this one is the Real Technique sponge, which you can get for $5. Or you can get the Sonia Kashuk brush, which is, it feels like a real beauty blender and it blends out perfectly. So I'm going to be going in with this one for right now. The key is to keep blending. So after I finish blending, I always go in with my Real Techniques brush and I just blend a little bit more. Once I finish with that, I'm going to go in with concealer. So the one that I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Age Rewinder Instant Age Rewinder. And this is the color Tan. As you can see, whoa, hold on one second. As you can see, it's almost done because I use it so much. Start off with under my eyes. Once I do that, I'm going to use I can use the same beauty blender if I wanted to. But since I got both of the beauty blenders next to me, I'm just going to use my Real Techniques brush. So I'm going to use that to blend everything out. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to leave my under eye so it can set a little bit. So I'm going to go in with everything else. See, it blends out nice and seamlessly. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go and blend under my eyes. After I feel like I blended enough, well, I didn't blend enough, but I'll just go in with my Real Techniques brush and blend the sides so I don't have no harsh lines. Then I'll go right back in with my beauty blender. Once I'm done with that, I'll start setting my powder. So what I'm going to use today is my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color medium. A little bit. Tap the excess. Once that's all set, powder looking like this, looking crazy, I'm going to go and I'm going to get my angle brush. I'm going to go in and contour. I don't really cream contour when I'm in a rush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some powder contour and powder. I just go over my nose. And I'll just bring it up to my brows. Eyeshadow. Because I don't put eyeshadow when I'm brushing. So yeah, and then just bring it down. So after I finish doing that, what I do is I go in with my brush and I just clear everything out. So then I go over my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360 Mocha. And I just go all over my face with that to make everything look seamless. Once I finish doing that, what I do is drench my face with my NYX Matte Finishing Spray. Once I finish doing that, I'll go in with my Beauty Blender again and just tap everything in. And I'm going in with my Falsies mascara. Is with mascara, without mascara. With mascara, without mascara. You see the difference? This mascara is everything. Like literally I used to use this all the time. If you want, you can put some in your lower lashes, but since I'm going to school, I don't need to put it there. So last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some blush on. I don't know if anybody would want to go to school with blush on, but I'm just trying something out. Everybody has their own preference. So if you want to stop at this step right here, then you're fine to do so. And just put some lip gloss on and call it a day. If you don't, then I'm going to just put some blush on. Just in case some of you girls want to go to school with blush on. Because you that extra. And then the last thing I'm going to put on is some highlighter. So what I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. So this is in Molten Gold. And just put a little bit on your brush. A little bit, tap it off. Just put a little bit. This one, a little bit goes a long way, so just putting a little bit like this will be just right. And if you want, you could spray your face again. Next step is lips. So just wipe your lips with some tissue. Take off that mascara that might have gotten into it. And if you're a plain girl, you can just put some lip gloss. So this one is the Baby Lips Lip Gloss, Moisturizing Lip Gloss. Just put that on. And boom, you're ready for school. So just give me 1 second. Let me get my scarf and look a little bit cute, and then I'll be right back. Now I'm ready for school. Got my scarf on. About to pop on these hoops. And boom. Ready for school. How do you like it? Is it cute? So this is my drugstore makeup back to school tutorial. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!